afternoon, students. We are going to teach you all about pigs. See, we're going to mention the three types of pigs: boar, sow, and the piglet. Let me explain what is a boar. A boar is a male pig.
Now, I'm going to tell you what is a sow. A sow is a female pig.
And these are piglets. They are young pigs.
And they are small too.
And they love to play. So now I'm thinking you must be wondering, what are the predators of these pigs? So now let me tell you. Wolves, lions, tigers are mostly wolves. So you see, it's the duty of the mother pig to protect her young ones. But be careful. When you beat these pigs, sometimes they have sharp teeth at the back of their mouths ready to bite.
So you see the back of the pig. That's where we give food for it for to take a lot of food so that the milk will come out for the baby pig.
You must be wondering why the female is eating so much food. The reason why, because she has to store milk for her piglets to suck, or otherwise without the milk, sometimes these piglets might even die one by one.
Okay, because they don't have milk from their mother.
Yes. So and
So they have
and
to
when
wait.
they are and but when they are 6 to 7 months old, they'll be old enough and will soon learn how to eat food.
It's not up to 6 months. They've started eating small small now, but we are going to win them very very soon. Okay, now tell me, why do you want to be a pig farmer?
Well,
So that we can
take care of the pigs.
so that they will not have stomach ache and they will not die.
And we also need to go. And we also need people to give us money so I can buy things like money for vets, injections so we can treat them, and we also need things so that to treat them.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
6 years old. What class are you?
I am in primary 2. Last week I started in primary 1.
Okay, last year you started in primary 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Last year I was in primary 4. Now I am in primary 5.
All